Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to check your watch history on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app, then just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. So now you want to scroll down, and here at the Comment and Watch History, you want to click on that and click on Watch History. So now here you can now see or check your watch history on TikTok. Okay, so if you don't have this feature yet, you just need to update your TikTok app. Okay, so that's it. That is how you check your watch history on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.